Good morning, students. Let us begin our second chapter. Michael, and the name of the chapter is, we have second chapter here. The name of this chapter is Michael Angelo. So now we shall study who is this man, okay? Now let us begin the first chapter. Match the names of the pieces of art given in column A with the names of the artists in column B. Okay, you have to match here, but I have already done it for you. But you have to do it, and you have to write down this in your notebook. Now we shall read. Excellence and integrity to work came together in all the artists whose names are given above. Okay, just now you saw the names above. The names came above. Okay, as they did in one of the most brilliant artists of all times. Okay, now those artist names you saw what they have done just above, and time of Michelangelo. But read on to see what amazed even him. Okay, now we shall read about this man. Who is that? Michelangelo. Now 4 years had passed since Michelangelo's return from Florence. Okay, now 4 years are over. Not, he has not come from Florence, and Rome was beginning to bore him. You can't find faces in Rome. Michelangelo grumbled. Now he's telling to Pope Julius, you can't find faces in Rome. Okay, there is no character in the faces here. They all look alike. Okay, there is no character in the faces here, and they all look like each other. Now the Pope is asking him, "What do you see in my face?" Pope asked him, almost in jest. Okay, what is the meaning of jest here? Joke. S A joke. Okay. Now this is a man here. Okay, he is a painter. You can see him. Okay. Now, now without even a pause, now without any stop there, the artist saying something, a burning candle. Now why he says, now it took a minute. Now Pope took only 1 minute to understand his sharp words. So now what is the meaning of here? uh, Barbed words, that barbed, sharp. I think I know that what you mean. So Pop only understood within a minute only he understood that what this man is trying to say, and he said finally with a smile, I am just one more. I have just one more candle that burns at the. I am just one more candle that burns at the altar. Okay, alongside those thousands others, right? So now he is telling Michelangelo. Now what he did after listening, he was very silent. But the Pope continued. Okay, now he's telling Angelo, for 4 whole years you have been looking for Judas. Now, if you look at in a Christian's Bible, who is Judas? One who betrayed Jesus to be crucified. Okay, I can't believe that in this world, in this vast universe that the Lord has created, where no two faces look alike, where no two faces, you cannot find faces, cannot discover models, surely. Now, before the Pope could finish, Michelangelo, now before Pope could finish all his talk about this, that so before that only Michelangelo went out. Now Pope Julius looked pensively. Now, what is the meaning of pensively here? Thoughtfully. Okay, thoughtfully at the retreating back of his moody painter. Now he is so much thoughtfully going on about his moody painter. Now he's a painter. 4 years ago, Pope Julius had, now before 4 years, Pope Julius had commissioned him for the special task. Now, what was the task? To paint important events from the Bible on the walls. Okay, on the walls and ceiling of the Sistine Chapel. Okay, where? In Sistine Chapel. Now the work was given to him, but where they were nearly done. Now they were nearly done. Only the Last Supper remained unfinished. Now he finished all the painting, but the Last Supper, where Jesus sits and have last meal with his disciple, that was not finished. I don't want any unpleasantness at this stage. The Pope murmured. Now Pope is so much worried and he is getting angry a little bit and then telling, I don't want unpleasantness at this stage. He had not forgotten the time when Michelangelo was craving. Now he can still remember that how Michelangelo was doing the work, carving the crucifixion in wood for the Church of the Holy Spirit. And he had excitedly to Julius saying that he had found just the right model. Okay, now he was saying to Julius that he has found a correct man to do this work. And the model was a dead man. Now, who is the dead? The Pope remembered ruefully. Ruefully means with sadness. Okay, how the funeral had been held for the 12 years, up for 12 years. Now he's telling, I can still remember this. Michelangelo was carving at the crucifixion. Now, here he's saying that mm, now he's so much excited to Julius, saying that he had found just the right model. Now, who is that right model? The dead man. The Pope remembered awfully means with sadness. Okay, and the funeral had been held up for 12 hours. The funeral went, funeral means किसी को दफनाना मरने के बाद. Now Bramante, the Pope thought now, yes, Bramante was a great painter too, and he, unlike Michelangelo, proudly proclaimed that he conjured means created, okay, faces from his imagination. Okay, now he's telling that I can imagine the faces. But even the Pope had to admit this Bramante's faces looked as though they had emerged from a common mold. Now, according to the Medici, what is the Medici here? Meaning noble family of Florence who founded public works and helped artists. Okay, what is the meaning of Medici here? You can see here. This is the right meaning. Noble family of Florence who found funded public school works and helped artists. Okay, the character bore a strong family resemblance. Pope Julius had no choice but to dismiss Bramante and approach. Now, the Pope did not have any choice. He had to dismiss the Bramante and approach now Michelangelo. Okay. Now, after this, 4 years ago, Michelangelo had started painting the ceiling of the Sistine Chapel. Now, okay, after 4 years now, he started painting the Sistine Chapel, and he would lie for hours beneath the ceiling of the Sistine Chapel, staring at it and muttering to himself. Okay, now he could lie down there few hours beneath the ceiling of the Sistine Chapel and staring at the muttering to himself. In those time, lime coated brick and mud walls, Angelo was searching for faces. The faces of Jesus and the Virgin Mary and Judas, who saw. Now he is found searching for the faces of Jesus and Virgin Mary and Judas. Now he saw could see their flesh and blood forms, but their faces, he mumbled, their faces are buried deep in the verses of the Bible. Now their faces are deeply buried in the deep in the verses of the Bible. They elude. Elude means, what is the meaning of elude here? Remain hidden from. Okay, elude means remain hidden from. Okay, whatever circles I make the words, please see that you find out the meanings. Okay, now me he grown. Now elude means here, remain hidden from. Now they continue to elude. The Pope had begun to doubt Michelangelo's. Now Pope had a little bit doubt about Michelangelo's sanity. Once he had stood very close and heard Michelangelo repeating passages from the Bible. What exactly are you doing, Angelo? Now he heard that this Michelangelo is repeating the passages from the Bible, and the Pope is asking him, "What are you doing, Angelo?" Here, furiously, he wanted to know what he is doing. What? Angelo had looked up. Angelo had looked up, startled. Oh, I am trying to unravel. Okay, unravel means discover. Okay, these verses. Now he is telling, I am trying to discover this passage, whatever I am reading the verses. Maybe then I will find the face. Now he's telling, maybe then I will be able to find the faces. There was a hint of despair in Michelangelo's voice. Okay, now there was a hint. Okay, Now Pope understood that Angelo's frustration means sorrow. Julius remembered how during one of the inspections he had seen that Angelo had drawn several sketches of the angel Gabriel. Now during one of the inspection, Pope had seen that Angelo had drawn several sketches of the angel Gabriel. How did you see Gabriel? Now he's asking. Now since he had seen that Angelo had drawn several pictures of the Gabriel angel, so he asked him, "How did you see that face?" Now he asked him, "It doesn't belong to this world either." Then he is telling he does not belong to this world. Angelo had looked up to meet the Pope's eyes. Now he's looking up the Pope's eyes. I heard this his voice in the Old Testament. Now he's telling, I heard this his voice in the Old Testament. Then you must have heard God's voice too. Then Pope is asking, that means you might have also heard the Pope's the now he is really looked up to, that you must have heard the God's voice too. The Pope had joked. He jokingly making fun, he said, I heard his silence. Angelo's words were terse. Okay. What is the meaning of terse here? To the point. Okay. What is the meaning of here? Terse, to the point. Angelo's words were to the point now. After this, now Pope is wanting to know how he could drew that angel Gabriel's image face. Now he cannot. So now is telling that he had told the Vatican committee, but he is the only one who can paint the Sistine Chapel. He had already told the Vatican committee that he only can paint the Sistine Chapel. Michelangelo had found Mary with the greatest of ease. Okay. Now Angel found Mary with the greatest of ease. Now what happened, it had happened long ago, the day he saw the Mother Mary carrying two pots of water strung from a bamboo stick on her shoulder. Now what does he see? That Mother Mary is carrying two pots of water strung from a bamboo stick on her shoulder. He had thought that the woman who had bore Christ in her in her womb would have been like his mother. Now he thought that woman, one who bore Jesus, would have been like his mother, just as thin and frail. Okay. Now he imagined that Mother Mary is carrying the water. Okay. And then he thought that the woman who had borne Christ in her womb would have been just like his mother. Okay. Now how his mother thin and frail. He remembered watching his mother. Now he could remember watching his mother with unblinking eyes as she warmed the water for his father's bath. Her face reflected the warmth of the roaring fire, flashed, burning like molten gold. Michelangelo had immediately retired to his study to sketch that face again and again. Now, since he imagined his mother, so he compared his mother with Mother Mary, and then immediately what did he do? He immediately retired to his study to sketch the face again and again. After this, what happens now? But then long time ago, Michelangelo remembered that they were living in Bolgana. Okay, then he even remembered vividly what is the meaning of vividly, clearly. Okay, clearly the corner of this street. It was a special haunt his father too. While his father sat eating inside, Michelangelo sat on a bench outside. He would buy hot peanuts from a nearby vendor, noticing how every time the man waked them out, a few would fall to the ground. A naked urchin, what is the meaning of urchin? A small homeless child, generally dressed in rags. Okay, all these words I have given you, dear students. You will be searching and writing this in your copy. Okay. Across the street, pick the nuts and give them to the vendor, quietly popping one into his mouth. And what happens? Now he sits outside and watches that man, one who's roasting the groundnuts there. Some falls down, and then so he's just watching him what it is. Now the time helped the now the peanut, for every time he helped the peanut seller. Now whenever the peanuts were falling down, he used to take and give to that man whose it was. Okay, then he would wait for the next customer. The sight fascinated Angelo. Now he could wait for the next customer, that somebody will come and buy the peanuts. So it could make him more fascinated. Okay, he drew several sketches of the child. Many years later, while carving the Madonna of Bruges, he had used those sketches to make the little Jesus small and naked. Okay, now did you understand? There is a man, painter Michelangelo. Now Bishop gave him some work to withdraw the Sistine Chapel. He drew everything, but then he did not complete the Last Supper. Okay, and he is comparing him sometimes with the Judas and all. That two faces cannot be like this. So then he is telling that he since he had seen this man drawing the picture of angel Gabriel, so he asked, how did you see that face? That means now you are imagining his the Mother Mary's face and Jesus and all. So he says that um, I made it. Okay, now imagination. Now, how he can make the image of Mother Mary? He just thought of his mother. Okay, now this Michelangelo thought of his mother and he said maybe like that. Okay, now this many years later, now while carving the Madonna of Burgess, he had used sketches to make the now many years later. Okay, now he used his sketches to make the little Jesus small and naked. Okay, now dear students, I want you to go through this reading. Please read this chapter, whole chapter you will read. Okay, read this whole chapter. This is the man. Okay, so read this chapter. I want you to read this chapter without reading now. Which chapel he Pope called him to draw? That is Sistine Chapel. Okay. So, dear students, please learn these word meanings also. I need you to write down in your notebook these word meanings. In SPD, I'll put the whole word meanings. That time you can write. No need of writing now. And please see that you go through this whole chapter. This half of the chapter, video one. I will complete the chapter in next video. So you can go through the whole chapter and find out the story. Learn the story about this man, Michelangelo and the Pope. Okay. So all the best, dear students. Do well. Thank you.